Welcome to MathGuruHarry mathematics classes. Thanks in advance for watching this video. You are here because you are concerned about your upcoming board exams. Class 10, 12 students, are you ready? So practice before question paper reaches your hand. Finding maths hard? Don't worry, I have a plan. Rather, I have a mission. Mission marks. 40 days, 80 marks. दो नंबर डेली कमाने हैं बस, that's it. 40 दिन तक, I know that two number. So the batch is starting from 22nd of this March and 29th of this March. 15 in each where, only for 30 students. You can enroll. The link in the description. Google form. Also, you know, I have a wide experience of 16 plus years in this education industry. Working as an HOD mathematics in Delhi Public School, preparing students for IIT, National Talent Search Examination, Olympiads, boards, exclusive coaching for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th students. So, you know, good teachers are the reason why ordinary students dream to do extraordinary things. Let's do extraordinary things. And you know, determination can take you anywhere. So wish you all the very best for your exams. You can also like this video to keep me motivating. This is the very first video. You can also put the notification button on so that in the coming future, when I upload a video, you'll get the notification. Yeah, you will get the videos on the topics 10th, 12th, Vedic mathematics, how to prepare yourself for boards. So the crash course is for only 30 students. It includes 5 periodic tests, 3 unit tests and 2 mock tests. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.